Hello guys, let's talk about budget helmets from ILM. First disclaimer, I am not sponsored or paid by ILM brand. I have bought this helmet with my own money and I will be doing this unboxing and review of this one. This particular helmet is a very fancy looking ILM Z501. It's a lizard red, very funky kind of a design and graphics. Till now I've been using a scorpion helmet, but then yeah, I wanted something more catchy without breaking the bank, so this is what I've opted for. I just bought it, it just got delivered. I'm gonna show you the unboxing and then I'm gonna also do a review of how quiet it is, what is its performance, because this one is only $250 Canadian, and trust me on this, a similar looking helmet from HJC, which a friend of mine has, was for $1,100, so which is like 5 times the money. I didn't have that kind of money, so this is what I've chosen, and let's see how this goes. So yeah, I'm gonna just open what has come in the packaging. And there's something in a pouch. I'm gonna just keep this here. This one is going to be the helmet, obviously, and the last thing is a clear visor, which is good for you to maybe ride in the night, if you guys do ride in the night. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep that in the side, and first I am going to open the helmet. Now this is a very funky looking helmet, really liked the graphics. Though I did research a little bit on YouTube, the reviews are not that bad. I'm not sure about safety. I'm not a safety expert, obviously, so I'm not really sure about the safety aspect, but this is what you get. Yeah, I just love the graphics. Look at this. So this one is like a colored visor. Look at the graphics. Wow. And yes, this is DOT certified. If you'll see the inner lining, it feels a little soft. Yeah, it's not bad, honestly, for the price. Not at all bad. If you open this, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3-part open, and there is an internal visor as well. It's right here. So the 1, 2. So this one is the inside one, and then this locks here, which is pretty neat. The kind of plastic that is used is obviously, you cannot expect the best material in this price point, but then it doesn't look bad at all. Doesn't look bad. The main deal is to see how it performs in high speed and how insulated it is from the noise and everything from the road. Also, I'm just gonna keep it here. I'll just open. There was another something that came with this. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's kind of a spoiler for the back of the helmet, I believe. Ooh, okay. This goes in the back side, I guess. Yep. This goes in the back. Right here. And then this fits right here. Yeah, I'll just have to put this here, right here. Oh, I was going the opposite way. Oh, pretty neat. See, looks superb. I am going to get onto a ride and tell you guys how quiet it is, how noisy it is. I'm not expecting the best from this, but I'm also not comparing this with a Shoei or HJC high-end helmets. Let's accept the fact that this is a cheap one, but I'm still happy to look at the graphics. It's really nice looking helmet. Hopefully it's not that noisy also while I'm being on like 100 kilometers an hour or more. Both of my bikes, both Harley and my Hayabusa, both are really loud bikes, so I'm not sure how it is going to, and how even the visor fogs up, but then we'll see how this works out. I'll just show you the clips of my ride and then I'll give you my final verdict, but on the face of it, this really looks really nice. Pretty good job, ILM. For this one, I wanted to take my father also along with me, so yeah, we left home. I did get quite a few second looks from people around because the way the helmet looks. I must say it wasn't that loud. The wind buffing was pretty okay. I really enjoyed the helmet. The comfort was perfectly fine. It was snug. I didn't really feel that it was all over the place or it was just too much noise from the road. We did go on the highway as well. It was pretty cool. I mean, I love the helmet. I love the fitting, the comfort. The wind noise was not that much if I'm comparing it with a Shark RS helmet that I'm using. So yeah, ILM, you did a good job with this one. I am for sure going to use this one quite a bit. So good job, ILM. Yes, also I did install my Cardo Pack Talk on this helmet, so I would be doing the review for that as well on this. But yes, ILM rocks. I am really happy with this helmet, and yes, you can go ahead and buy this if you want, but yeah, no push. But stay tuned, guys.